My name's David Coffey. I've been with Hyster for 28 years. My role is AC2 on the A-Series truck line. I help set the line up when we start building the truck from design up, so I've kind of been with it from the start. My day typically starts about 4:30, give folks direction on what they're going to do for the day. And then we walk the line and check, make sure quality's good throughout. So it's never a dull moment. I think the people part of it is honestly the best part of the job. We tend to surround ourselves with good people in this building. Very proud to be part of A-Series. Very comfortable truck, plenty of power, very responsive truck. So I would recommend one of these trucks to anybody out there.